Hey guys, this is Rohi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a Complete Home. And today's recipe is chicken Murg Malai Kabab. And I have shown this recipe with skewers and without skewers. So let's quickly get into the recipe. Here I have taken 400 grams of boneless chicken without any moist. Add salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, half a tablespoon cardamom powder and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And this is the first marinade. Rest this in refrigerator for 30 minutes. In a mixture jar, I have taken milk mixed cheese, approximate 150 grams, and add this to this mixture jar. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd and add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. If you have fresh cream, you can use, and this is the malai which I taken from milk. Add green chilies as per your taste and add coriander. If you want this Murg Malai Kabab in white in color, so you can skip coriander or you can add very little coriander. Mix this mixture to the marinated chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Cover with the lid and rest this for 2 to 3 hours. Soak these skewers in water for 15 minutes. Now arrange this marinated chicken to the skewers. On a tawa, add very little oil. Now place these skewers on the tawa and fry on both sides. Fry these malai kababs in a low flame. Do not over fry this chicken. And you can see here this Murg Malai Kabab is ready to serve. Let's switch off the flame. Enjoy this yummy cheesy Murg Malai Kabab. Give this recipe a good try and do post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Marinating this chicken for 2 to 3 hours will give very soft and tender chicken. If you don't have skewers, you can fry on a tawa with some oil. And fry this malai kabab from both the sides. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.